Here's the news of the day for June 3rd of 2025.
Falcon Luxe introduced block hours for business jet travel, letting clients pre-purchase flight time for simpler, faster access without repeated bookings.
JSSI and the IADA Foundation launched a $5,000 aviation innovation grant for college students with bold ideas to shape the future of business aviation.
APG invested €250 million in SkyNRG to support new SAF plants in the Netherlands, Sweden, and the US, boosting production to meet rising EU and UK demand.
Iowa passed a bill offering 25 cents per gallon in SAF tax credits from 2026 to 2035, supporting fuels with 50% lower emissions made from feedstocks like corn oil and algae.
Cathay Pacific will offtake SAF from Sinopec's Zhenhai refinery for flights from Hong Kong, supporting wider use of certified Chinese-made sustainable fuel.
Avena will build the US's first on-site SAF plant at Pittsburgh Airport using KBR's pure SAF technology, aiming to produce over 100 million gallons annually.
SITA and Urban Airport are co-developing the world's first software-defined Vertiport, combining modular infrastructure with digital platforms to enable scalable, integrated urban air mobility.
Air partnered with EDAG to produce the Air One's main structure, featuring folding wings and expanded cabin, advancing scalable production for both personal and cargo eVTOL variants.
Moya Aero unveiled its modular electric drone family, featuring the Moya 256 and 760, to streamline logistics with shared architecture, scalable design, and fully electric low-emission operations.
Ascendance appointed former French Transport Minister Jean-Baptiste Djebari to its advisory board, leveraging his aviation and policy expertise to support global expansion and industrial scale-up.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.